Okay, here we are with the trout. They're getting pretty darn big. And they're almost as big as the damn koi. There's the big one. Yeah, thing's about 6 inches long. There's 4 big ones. It's kind of funny, they all came out of the same batch and they're all different sizes, man. And there's some that are kind of like that guy right there. He's kind of the last month. Pretty cool. That one's at least 6 inches.